So I gotta keep it 100 with y'all. I usually, show the unboxing and everything on camera, but FedEx put the wrong label, like the small label, a different name on it. So I had to open it up just to make sure that the contents of the package was correct. So I haven't looked at the shoe or anything. I haven't taken them out the box, but I did, do the unboxing on camera. Okay. Wow. Well, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna keep that in there. So you see the box top. The Maniere 5s. I like the color blue. It's kind of dope. As you can see, like the details, you get the Maniere logos all over the place. And then on the inside, you get the picture, black and white Maniere, with I'm assuming somebody's wearing the shoe. I don't want to damage this box because I plan on keeping it, but we'll see. Then you get your Maniere paper on the inside. Let's do a Mac Rich style unveiling, man. I don't think I've done this in a while. Whew. Okay, so they're not white. I thought they were gonna be more white. It's like a light gray. I guess it's called Photon Dust. I think that's Photon Dust black. And this is a women's exclusive, so I got a 13.5. It's okay to wear women's shoes. But it's a sneaker at the end of the day, bro. I know a lot of guys, I'm not wearing women's shoes, man. No, man, I'm a real man. All right, but keep that energy, and I'm going to rock these Manieres like everybody else. You feel me? Let's go ahead and put that shoe up here. This is tough. I'm gonna switch it. I'm gonna switch it up. So we get the Maniere. I think these are Dawn. And they came in, it was Dawn and Dust in the pack. Definitely feeling these, man. I love the pre-aged look. I think the Dust pair, the black and burgundy, whatever, was like an Maniere exclusive. I wasn't able to hit on those. I did hit these off the Discord raffle. I wish I would have waited because these are widely available and I probably could have got these a little faster. But it's all good. I got them in my possession. I still can get this review off for you guys. So like the upper, it's like a soft nubuck. It's not quite suede. It reminds me of green 5s that had like the age look, but that's more leather than these. But it's definitely nubuck. Be careful when you're handling this shoe. I see a couple of little marks. Yeah, I see a couple of the marks or whatever. You probably can get like a suede eraser, touch it up real quick. But definitely if you have any kind of protective coating, spray or whatever, throw it up there. But enough of that. So we get the pre-aged outsole, as you can see with the Nike. You get the Jumpman up here. I want to say that's black. All black midsole with that blue, what is it, Photon blue maybe? Photon. I'm not sure what shade of blue this is. It's kind of a mix between, it's like a lighter navy, if that makes sense. But on the shark teeth as well as the triangle. Then you get that aged netting, but you get that Maniere print in the netting, which is dope. I definitely give you a close-up of that. So you get the side netting as well as on the tongue, and you still get that Maniere print. You get the Maniere logo on the left tongue, and you get the Jumpman on the right. You get Maniere on the patch behind the tongue, on the left shoe, and then you get the Michael Jordan signature on the right shoe. Like when it comes to collabs, man, I'm definitely a fan of when, the companies have the creative freedom to switch up everything. Like the Maniere logo on the netting is crazy. You get the Nike Air embroidered on the back on both shoes, and then you get that embroidered 23 on the side, which gives it like that PE vibe. It reminds me of the black tongue 3s. And on the insole, oh yeah, this comes out easy. You have the same blue, but you get the Nike Air embroidery, man. That's dope. I'm not sure how many Jordans have embroidered insoles. Let me know. But yeah, that was pretty dope. That's the first time I've seen it personally. Then the sock liner, of course. Wow, okay. So I think, the sock liner has the Maniere logo as well. That looks crazy. Yeah, I definitely get a close up of that for y'all so y'all can see what I'm talking about. But it goes all the way down to the heel. That is dope, man. For the price, they really put a lot of effort into the quality and the design aspects of this particular shoe. Then you get the Age Nike lace lock, nothing crazy there. You do get 3 sets of laces, so you get the matching gray, you get a set of white, and then you get the cream, off-white, age, whatever you want to call it. I'm probably gonna throw either I'm gonna leave the gray in, or I'll throw in the cell laces, the cream joints. I mean, either way, you can't go wrong. Even black, if somebody throws a pair of black laces in there, I think you can get away with that too. Man, let me know what you think about this release. I know a lot of people were going for the black pair. I was not one of them. I wanted the light pair off rip because I felt like it's a different colorway. You know, the black is too close to. We had the OG black metallics. Then I want to say the Supreme collab. They dropped the black Supreme. So, and even the off-white collab, they did a black one. So. I'm just good off the black and burgundy 5. You know, I got the Bordeaux, so if I want to match that color up, I can do that. But if I had the opportunity to get the other one, yes, I would have caught. So, you know, before y'all hit the comments, like, you would have caught me. Yeah, I would have caught. But I wanted this one for sure, and I'm glad if I only could get one, I'm glad it was this one. Something different. I don't have too much gray and blue in my collection as is. So, you know, I had to switch it up, man. You got to expand your color palettes, man. But that's gonna do it for this one, man. Let me know what y'all think about this shoe. Are you waiting for your pair to touch down? Were you unable to cop on release day? Are you willing to pay resale for these? Let me know. I think the quality is there for sure. A lot of people probably will regret sleeping on these if they did. If you can get them for retail, I definitely, I would advise going that route. But if you gotta do what you gotta do, I definitely understand that as well, man. Appreciate y'all for watching.